ZTE's Chief Development Officer چھوئی has said that Chinese companies are injecting vitality into global scientific and technological innovation. چھوئی made the remarks in an interview with Xinhua during the Mobile World Congress 2024, which concluded on Thursday in Barcelona, Spain. This year's Mobile Tech Gala attracted around 2,400 exhibitors. Over 300 Chinese firms attended the event, nearly double the number from the previous year. ZTE presented its end-to-end innovation, including zero-carbon site solutions in Europe, a new generation world's first 5G plus AI 3D tablet, Nubia Pad 3D2, as well as the brand's 5G advanced solution. Cui said that this robust development momentum from Chinese companies will not only promote the upgrade and transformation of China's industries, but also inject vitality into global scientific and technological innovation. She also stressed that companies need more cooperation and win-win results, rather than simply focusing on themselves.
就是说这个独行快重行远嘛，这次的整个的会议的感觉就会让我们感觉到这种国际合作的力量，我们整个对于数字化和智能化的这个渴望，都会让我们能够团结得更加紧密，贡献彼此的智慧，让人类社会更好的发展。